The purpose of this video is to provide instructions on the proper installation, removal, storage, and maintenance of the M119A3 howitzer protective cover system. Regular use of Envelop protective covers will reduce maintenance cost and time requirements, increase readiness, extend equipment life, and decrease total cost of ownership. The cover system consists of two components: the elevating mass cover, which covers the tube and top carriage, and the electronics sled cover. Both components of the cover system contain Velcro seams and/or straps and buckles. All Velcro seams should be secured by lining up the corners of the seams and pressing the seams flat. Improperly secured Velcro seams allow water intrusion. Fasten all straps and buckles on all components of the cover. The straps and buckles ensure the cover remains secure during windy conditions. Both covers come in durable black mesh storage bags. These storage bags are attached by a lanyard and stowed in pouches inside the respective covers when covers are installed. When possible, the weapon should be cleaned in accordance with the TM prior to installing the cover system. The howitzer tube should be lowered to approximately 0 to 100 mils for the initial installation. At the front of the howitzer, remove the elevating mass cover from the black mesh storage bag. Stretch the cover out, unbuckle all straps, and open all Velcro seams. Stow the storage bag in the pouch located at the bottom edge of the cover near the breech. Pull the cover over the howitzer from front to rear. Use caution when pulling the cover over the howitzer. If the cover snags on the howitzer, it should be worked free by hand. Do not yank or use excessive force to install the cover. Use special care when pulling over the MBS and the INU. Pull the cover all the way over the tube, sight mounts, and gunner's display. Do not pull the cover over the elevating hand wheel or panoramic telescope mount. Do not yet tighten any of the straps or buckles. Tighten the strap near the muzzle. When the cover is pulled to this point, elevate the tube to the storage elevation of 1,244 mils. Watch the cover carefully while elevating to ensure it doesn't snag. Once the weapon is completely elevated, pull the cover over the bottom carriage and saddle. Secure all Velcro seams as described in the General Information section. Fasten all straps and buckles. Rotate the weapon to the stowed position in accordance with the howitzer TM. Leave the panoramic telescope mount lowered. Do not secure the tube to the rear travel lock. The howitzer tube should be lowered to approximately 100 mils and angled to one side for the initial installation. With the elevating mass cover removed from the black mesh storage bag, stretch the cover out and unbuckle all straps and open all Velcro seams as shown previously. Stow the storage bag in the pouch located at the bottom edge of the cover near the breech. Pull the cover over the howitzer from the tube end over the breech. Again, use caution when pulling the cover over the howitzer. If the cover snags on the howitzer, it should be worked free by hand. Do not yank or use excessive force to install the cover. Use special care when pulling over the MBS and the INU. Pull the cover all the way over the tube, sight mounts, and gunner's display. Do not pull the cover over the elevating hand wheel. Once the cover is pulled to this point, open the flap in the cover at the end of the muzzle brake. Elevate, depress, and traverse the tube and lock it in the rear travel lock. Take care not to catch the cover in the lock. Once the tube is locked, complete pulling the cover over the hand wheels. Secure all Velcro seams and fasten all straps and buckles. Secure the Velcro flap and fasten the strap and buckle under the muzzle. The electronic sled cover is a cube-shaped cover that fits directly over the sled. Remove the cover from the storage bag and stow the bag in the pouch inside the cover. Put the cover over the sled and secure all straps and buckles. In the stowed position, the electronic sled cover is installed in exactly the same manner as in the storage position. The cover is removed in reverse order from installation. With a tube in the storage position at 1,244 mils, unfasten all the buckles and straps and open all Velcro seams. Depress the tube to approximately 0 to 100 mils. Watch carefully while depressing the tube to ensure the cover doesn't snag. Once the tube is depressed, lift the cover over the sight mounts, gunner's display, and the MVS INU. As with installation, use caution when pulling the cover back over the howitzer. Snags should be loosened by hand. Do not jerk or use excessive force in removing the cover. The cover is removed in reverse order from installation. With the tube still in the rear travel lock, unfasten all the buckles and straps and open all Velcro seams. Elevate or depress the tube and unlock it from the tube lock. Elevate the tube to approximately 100 mils. Once the tube is elevated, lift the cover over the sight mounts, gunner's display, the INS, and the MVS. As with installation, use caution when pulling the cover back over the howitzer. The electronic sled cover is removed in the same way for both positions. Unfasten all straps and buckles. Remove the cover from the sled. Once either of these covers have been removed from the howitzer, remove the black mesh storage bag from the pouch. Stretch the cover out and fold neatly to a size slightly smaller than the storage bag. Kneel on the cover to remove air. This will ease putting the cover in the storage bag. Place the cover inside the storage bag. Although the cover can be stored for short periods when wet, it is best to store the cover dry. If the cover is wet, let it air out in a dry area until the cover is dried out. If the cover will not be used for a long period of time, it should be allowed to dry before storage. Caution! The cover system is not certified for towing. The cover can be cleaned while installed on the weapon or off the weapon. Use water and a mild detergent to clean the exterior. Rinse with clean water. If the cover is wet, dry it if possible before folding and storing the cover. The interior may be cleaned using isopropyl rubbing alcohol and a rag. Proper care when installing, removing, and storing the cover will ensure that your weapon is well protected and that the cover will last for the maximum length of time. For additional information about Envelop Protective Covers products, maintenance, or installation, please visit us online at www.envelopcovers.com or call us at 651-289-3067.